What's up guys, Tify here, and this is actually the review of the new Samsung Galaxy S series, the 2020 Samsung Galaxy S series. Maybe that could be the reason why it was called the Samsung Galaxy S20 or the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. In this particular video or in this particular review, I'm gonna stress more on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra because this phone has come in handy. So this phone may change the photography how I see it, because people may prefer taking photos now. In the coming future, people may prefer taking photos using the phone rather than using the actual camera. So the specs of this particular phone is actually 108 megapixel, 48 megapixel and 12 megapixel for the primary camera, telephoto, and the ultra wide angle respectively. The 108 megapixel, the importance of it that you will zoom in so much more, and that image that you're zooming will not lose its quality. I mean, this is what I was talking about in my intro video. If you have not watched it, so go ahead and watch it. And I was saying, well, if I get this particular phone when I unbox it, so I will test this phone's camera on wildlife animals. So yeah, explaining the clarity of these phones camera, and also it may be pass a message or create an awareness about wildlife animals. The added spice in this particular phone is that it was made to be very fast. I mean, it just got 16 gigs of RAM in this particular phone. Maybe this phone could be the fastest phone or the fastest Android phone in the universe, because the 16 gigs of RAM, man, these are huge one, so yeah, they must be fast phone. So it also has got 512 GB of storage. And when I add these, when I combine these gigs of RAM and the refreshing rate, because it has got 120 hertz refreshing rate, which means that every action that you command in this particular phone, its reaction is going to be very smooth and effortless. So when I combine the 16 gigs of RAM and the 120 hertz refreshing rate, I mean, this phone becomes very dynamic. Another two going to be true feature in this particular phone is actually it has got 6.9 inch display. I mean, this display is almost to a tablet, so I think 6.9 inch, it's a huge display, because even my phone right now is 6.6 inch display, and I find it's a very huge display. So you can imagine the 6.9 inch display. I think that's almost to a tablet. On the other hand, it's actually the 6.9 inch is actually accompanied by the AMOLED display. The importance of AMOLED display is that the image or the display of that phone, or the images of that phone, will actually be true to their colors, even at different brightness levels. So yeah, that's the more phones I'm used to AMOLED screen, so it's not new in this phone, the AMOLED screen. Even my phone is AMOLED, so that would be the importance of the AMOLED screen. The other thing is that it hasn't got 5,000 milliamperes. I think that's quite small for this particular, because of its functionality, the 6.9 inch, the 120 hours refreshing rate, and also the 8K video, capturing of video with up to 60 FPS. I mean, the 5,000 milliamperes is quite small for this particular phone. The other thing is that it has got they're calling the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. I think this phone, the advantage of it is that it's not new in phones. Even my phone got the other display fingerprint sensor, and in this particular phone it will illuminate your your index finger. Maybe it's called the index finger. I don't know, but it will illuminate in 3D, and your phone will open very fast. It's not something new, something used to so many people. And also, I forgot about the selfie camera. It has got 40 megapixel selfie camera. It's kind of like a dot in the front of this particular phone, which is almost unrecognizable. So I think when you're playing the HD game and also watching an HD video, it will not interfere with your with your viewing. So yeah, that has been the all about the overview of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So if you want me to review the other Samsung Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus, so please comment and I'll do so. What I'm gonna say is that I actually have a longer version of this particular video, and it was, I don't know what happened, because it had 1.8 GB, of capacity. So when I upload it on YouTube, it is stuck at 21%, at 21% of upload. So it is staying there for like 12 hours, and I quitted. So this particular video is actually a shorter version of what I had shot earlier on. So maybe it will not stuck again. Maybe it was a problem on YouTube. Maybe no, my internet's great. So, and also cleared the cache and everything. Maybe I don't know what happened. So this particular is a shorter version of the other video, earlier video that I shot. So guys, this YouTube channel is very very fresh and new. So guys, go ahead and subscribe, comment and like. So guys, thank you for watching. This Tify here. The future awaits everyone. So the future even awaits